Today, we're diving into Supernormal AI, a tool that promises to simplify your meeting notes and enhance productivity, but does it really deliver on that promise? Let's find out if this AI meeting assistant lives up to the hype or falls short. Supernormal AI is designed to streamline the process of capturing and managing meeting notes. It automatically transcribes conversations, organizes key points, and even highlights action items. Right off the bat, the interface feels user-friendly, which is a big plus for those who may not be tech-savvy. The tool targets professionals who are tired of the tedious task of note-taking and want to focus more on the discussion at hand. One standout feature is its ability to integrate seamlessly with platforms like Zoom and Google Meet, making it convenient for users who frequently conduct virtual meetings. However, there are areas that feel a bit vague. For instance, while the transcription is generally accurate, it can struggle with technical jargon or multiple speakers, which might frustrate users in more specialized fields. Overall, it's an intriguing option for busy professionals, but it leaves you wondering how well it can adapt to various meeting environments. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, Supernormal AI can save a ton of time by automating note-taking and providing a neat summary of meetings. It's especially beneficial for those who have back-to-back calls and need a reliable way to keep track of discussions. However, there are some drawbacks. The accuracy of the transcription, while generally good, can be hit or miss, especially in larger meetings or with multiple speakers. Plus, there's the question of data privacy. How secure are your meeting notes? Also, for those who need advanced features like collaborative editing or deeper integrations with other productivity tools, Supernormal may feel a bit limited. It might not suit everyone, particularly those in highly specialized industries where precise documentation is critical. In conclusion, Supernormal AI is worth considering if you're looking for a straightforward meeting assistant that simplifies note-taking. It's great for busy professionals, but if you require detailed accuracy or advanced features, you might want to explore alternatives. Overall, it feels like a solid option, but with room for improvement.